Hi Fauhow, in this video I'm going to show you how to change password on Gmail. It works on Android and also iPhone. This tutorial is very useful for you who wants to change password on Gmail to make your account more secure. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, just open Gmail apps. There are two ways to change password on Gmail. The first way is just go to website gmail.com and then instead of sign in, you can just tap forget your password. You will be emailed by Google to verify your changing password, and also you can be messaged by Google to your mobile phone to confirm your password changing. And the second way is by clicking your profile picture here, and then you can see here manage your Google account. Just tap this. And then in this Google account, you can see there is some options, there is some menus here, home, personal info, and also you can see there is security. Just tap this. In this security menu, you can just scroll down and you will see signing in to Google. There is password. You just tap this. Here you have to fill your current password and then you will be directed to change your new password here. After changing your password will be changed. That is my tutorial about how to change password on Gmail. It works on iPhone and also Android. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you. And if you like my tutorial, just like this video. And also if you have any questions about changing password on Gmail, you can give any comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that if I upload latest video about social media tutorial, you will be the first person I notify and you'll be able to watch my latest video. Thank you.